Seeing emergency calls only on your Straight Talk phone? This means your phone can't connect to the network fully, usually due to SIM or network issues. Core reasons include a SIM card that isn't correctly inserted, is damaged, or locked to another carrier, an expired data plan or unpaid Straight Talk balance, poor signal or incompatible APN settings, or a software glitch. The good news is, most of these issues are fixable. Let's troubleshoot. First, restart your phone by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds and check that your SIM is correctly placed. Next, use the Straight Talk website or mobile app to reactivate your SIM card, entering the IC number found on its packaging. Update your APN settings manually via Settings Network APN. Common settings are Straight Talk or WAP. If still having issues, contact Straight Talk support at 1-877-430-2355. If your SIM is locked, you can request an unlock code.